Welcome to the Real in Cyber. Chief Jay here. Yesterday, if you came in, we talked about CompTIA Security Plus, whether or not it's the end all be all to break into cybersecurity. Well, today I wanted to expound a bit on CompTIA Security Plus to talk about the benefits of the certification and how far it could potentially take you as far as your career path. So let's get into it. Now, depending on what industry, whether public sector, which is the government, or private sector, it can be debatable.
I knew you was lying. I knew you was lying, man.
However, if you're looking at trying to work with the government, whether that's a government contractor or a civilian, Security Plus is required to touch information systems for the government. It's not an option, it's a requirement. And most of the roles I feel, whether that's an associate chief information security officer, a cyber manager, or information system security manager, my responsibility is to ensure said people who are touching those systems in a privileged way are certified. And if not, we take their accesses. It also helps you when it comes down to career progression, because CompTIA Security Plus, especially in the public sector, can take you into multiple roles, not only the cybersecurity side, but on the IT side as well. So if you're looking at trying to be a system administrator, network administrator, system network engineer, an information system security officer, a security specialist, there are so many different roles that CompTIA Security Plus as a credential can take you. So don't count the certification out. And that's pretty much it when it comes to CompTIA Security Plus. Make sure you go to CompTIA.org for more information. And don't forget to subscribe to The Real in Cyber and hit that bell. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good day.